burial for what?
We're all boaters. Just throw him.
Who?
For the reason I have a party.
Throw who?
Shenanigans.
Where is he?
He's in the freezer, frozen. Are you kidding me?
Wait, there's a turtle in the freezer.
Exactly. Z-A-C-K-L-Y, exactly. Okay. Oh, you think I'm sick? I'm a little crazy. Don't worry about
Do
it.
you ever talk to him?
No, we don't
You don't
talk
play
to
with
dead
him?
turtles. No, we don't talk to anybody. No, we talk to plants once in a while. Grandma told me that. Grandma used to talk to the plants, and you know what the plants did? Come here. She was. You would have loved her. She died when you were really young. You know how Bobcha's crazy and everything? Jaja grew all the plants. Bobcha don't even know how to grow a plant.
I have a funny story about
Grammy, you called her Grammy. They called my mother Grammy. Oh, Grammy, they love Grammy.
Real original nickname. I bet nobody else ever called their grandparents that.
What? No, that's right. That's right. Grammy, not grandma, nothing Grammy, like a Grammy award. And, she would talk to the plants, and the plants would come to life every spring. And that's why I did Mother's Day. I planted her geraniums, and they are still in my garage. I took them out, and they last in the garage. I swear to God, they're growing in the garage. I'm like, I'm going to have to plant them in the spring.
Do you talk
all
to
over
them?
the place. Yeah, when I go inside, when I go to get a bottle of my homemade wine, I'm like, okay, plants, how you doing?